Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best NuFace Fix is probably one of the most talked about beauty tools for a reason. This little gadget promises to turn back the clock, targeting those frustrating fine lines and wrinkles that seem to appear overnight. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we're diving deep into the NuFace Fix, exploring its features, benefits, and whether it's the right choice for your skincare routine. Number 5. NuFace Aqua Gel Activator. This lightweight activator gel is the perfect partner for your device. It locks in hydration for up to 24 hours and conducts microcurrents to your facial muscles. Use it with your Mini, Trinity, or other NuFace devices to boost your results. The gel utilizes NuFace's IonPlex technology. It delivers a precise concentration of ions and glacial water. This helps conduct microcurrents for optimal treatment, sculpting and toning your skin. Formulated with hyaluronic acid, this gel provides all-day hydration. It helps plump your skin and lock in moisture, leaving you with a vibrant glow. You will feel the difference. Cleanse your skin and apply your favorite serum before using the gel. Layer the conductive gel on your cheeks, neck, and forehead. Then, lift with your NuFace microcurrent device for the best results. This skincare product is created by estheticians and formulated with clean, non-toxic ingredients. It's free of parabens, phthalates, mineral oil, and added fragrance. It is safe and effective for your skin. What we like? This activator gel provides 24-hour hydration, ensuring your skin stays plump and radiant. It enhances the microcurrent results, making your device even more effective. If you're looking for a product that keeps your skin hydrated while maximizing your device's performance, you should consider this. What people say. Compare la máquina de la misma marca y mi encanto hace su function. It comes with a makeup brush which is helpful to spread the gel over the area of the face. The gel feels wet on the face and doesn't dry. Ease of application. Number 4. NuFace Aqua Gel Activator. This lightweight activator gel is the perfect partner for your NuFace device. It helps to conduct the microcurrent down to your facial muscles, enhancing the results of your treatment. Use it with your Mini, Trinity, Mini Plus, Trinity Plus, and New Body devices. NuFace utilizes low-level electrical currents to mimic your body's natural ionic flow. The IonPlex blend delivers a precise concentration of ions and glacial water. This helps to sculpt and tone your skin and facial muscles. Formulated with hyaluronic acid, this gel locks in moisture for up to 24 hours. It helps to plump your skin, leaving you with a vibrant, all-day glow. You'll love how it makes your skin feel. Cleanse your skin and apply your favorite serum before using the gel. Layer the conductive gel on your cheeks, neck, and forehead. Then, lift with your NuFace microcurrent device for optimal results. NuFace microcurrent skincare is created with clean, non-toxic ingredients. It's free of parabens, phthalates, mineral oil, and added fragrance. It's an effective and safe way to enhance your skincare routine. What we like? This larger size offers the same benefits as the original, including 24-hour hydration and enhanced microcurrent results. It's formulated with clean ingredients, ensuring a safe and effective treatment. If you have a larger device or use it frequently, this is a great option. What people say. Compare la máquina de la misma marca y mi encanto hace su function. It comes with a makeup brush which is helpful to spread the gel over the area of the face. The gel feels wet on the face and doesn't dry. Ease of application. Number 3. NuFace Mini Plus Facial Device Kit, Sandy Rose. This Mini Plus microcurrent device uses clinically proven microcurrent technology. It sends gentle waves through your skin to tone, lift, and tighten. You can get instant and long-term results anytime, anywhere with it. Activate and lift with our microcurrent activators. They conduct the microcurrent from the device down to your facial muscles. The hydrating Aqua gel locks in moisture, and the Silk Creme hydrates skin with anti-aging benefits. The device's petite and portable design makes it perfect for on-the-go lifting. Quick 5-minute sessions help to sculpt and firm the face and neck. Users saw improvement in sagging skin, a more lifted jaw, and reduced forehead lines. Get professional-level skincare results with the NuFace Smart app, watch guided treatment tutorials and track your progress. It's a free app that helps you get the most out of the device. All NuFace microcurrent devices are rigorously tested for safety and efficacy. All skincare products are esthetician created and made with clean, fragrance-free ingredients. You can trust it for your skincare routine. What we like. The Mini Plus is a portable device that offers instant and lasting results. It's FDA cleared, ensuring safety and efficacy. If you're always on the go and want a quick, effective treatment, this device is perfect for you. What people say. My face is snatched for hours afterwards. After using this device for 10 to 15 minutes, the swelling goes down a lot. I can definitely see improvement. I have had cheek fillers before, and I honestly can tell you this gave me the same lift in 3 months as $1,500 of Juvederm filler gave me. I had my filler 2 years ago, so it has definitely been processed and is out of my body by now. I used it for at least 5 minutes a day every day, focusing on my cheeks and crow's feet. Cheeks are definitely lifted, which is improving my nasolabial folds, and my crow's feet are gone. Number 2. NuFace Trinity Lip and Eye Attachment. This attachment is designed for those hard-to-reach areas. It helps to depuff, smooth lines, and tighten the skin around your eyes and mouth. You'll love the results. The Trinity device uses microcurrent technology to send gentle waves through your skin. This helps to tone, lift, and tighten your skin for both immediate and long-term results. You can use it anytime, anywhere. Use it with our activators to conduct the microcurrent to your facial muscles. The IonPlex technology and glacial water prepare your skin for treatment. The hydrating Aqua gel and silk creme will keep your skin moisturized. The device is sleek and portable, perfect for lifting on the go. Quick 5-minute sessions help sculpt and firm your face and neck. Users have seen significant improvements in sagging skin and wrinkles. The dual wands lift, tighten, and tone the areas around your eyes and mouth. This attachment enhances the results of your face tightening device. It's easy to use and effective. All NuFace devices are rigorously tested for safety and efficacy. The skincare products are created with clean, fragrance-free ingredients. You can also use the free NuFace Smart app for tutorials and tracking. What we like. This attachment is designed for targeted treatment around the eyes and lips. It enhances the results of your existing device, helping to lift, tighten, and tone those hard-to-reach areas. If you want to focus on those areas and maximize your device's effectiveness, you should consider this. What people say. My face feels very taut afterwards and my pores are almost invisible. It lifts and I feel I definitely look younger better when I use it. I can really see a difference using this to target specific areas. Number 1. NuFace Silk Cream Activator Serum. This is the perfect partner for your NuFace device. It's designed to conduct microcurrents to your facial muscles. After using it, your skin will feel firmer, brighter, and more radiant. NuFace uses microcurrents to mimic your body's natural ionic flow. This serum is formulated with IonPlex blend, delivering ions and glacial water. This helps to optimize your treatment results. This serum contains hyaluronic acid and 8 phytoactives. It supports your skin's natural collagen and elastin production. It helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles, promoting a youthful appearance while locking in moisture. First, cleanse your skin. Then, apply a few drops of your favorite serum. Layer this conductive serum on your cheeks, neck, and forehead. Use your NuFace microcurrent device to lift your skin. NuFace microcurrent skincare is created by estheticians. It's formulated with clean, non-toxic ingredients. It's free of parabens, phthalates, mineral oil, and added fragrance. What we like. This Serum Cream Activator offers brightening and firming benefits, leaving your skin radiant. It's packed with anti-aging ingredients, helping to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. If you like a product that provides both immediate and long-term benefits, you should consider it. What people say. My skin felt smooth and looked brighter, along with my lines becoming less visible. My cheekbones more defined. This activator is perfect for NuFace Trinity Plus. Love using this with my NuFace Trinity. I can't pinpoint the difference as much to say that it makes me look visibly more well-rested with plump skin. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.